Pope Leo appeals for no more war in first Sunday address. Pope Leo XIV appealed for no more war in a message to world powers during his first Sunday address at the Vatican. Reflecting on current conflict, the newly selected pontiff called for a lasting peace in the war in Ukraine, a ceasefire in Gaza, and welcomed Saturday's agreement to end recent hostilities between India and Pakistan. He said he was deeply hurt by events in Gaza, expressed hope for a lasting accord between India and Pakistan, and wished for a authentic, true and lasting peace in Ukraine. The Pope also recited the Regina Caeli prayer in honor of the Virgin Mary to the crowd in St. Peter's Square. Pope Leo was chosen as the new leader of the Catholic Church on Thursday following a two-day conclave in Vatican City and the death of his predecessor Pope Francis. On Saturday, he visited a shrine outside Rome and then prayed before Francis' tomb inside the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore. Pope Leo will be formally inaugurated in a mass in St. Peter's Square next week on 18 May. Speaking from the central balcony of St. Peter's Basilica, he said, "The immense tragedy of the Second World War ended 80 years ago. Now we are facing the tragedy of a Third World War in pieces. I would also like to address the powerful people of the world, repeating the always current call, no more war." The pontiff continued, "I carry in my heart the suffering of the beloved Ukrainian people. May whatever is possible be done to reach an authentic, true and lasting peace as quickly as possible. May all the prisoners be freed. May children return to their families. And I am deeply hurt by what is happening in the Gaza Strip. May a ceasefire immediately come into effect. May humanitarian aid be allowed into the civilian population, and may all hostages be freed."